Hello everyone, welcome to Diversified Cryptos. My name is Lakal, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin price action, and we're going to go through this article, and we're going to have a look at like the three ways this bear market might end. Okay, so as you guys recall, from 10th of June to 16th of July, we had this head and shoulders pattern, and then we had a breakout towards upside, and then the Bitcoin price went all the way up to 8,400 or so, and since then uh, we had this massive sell-off, and then it unfortunately um, went back down this support, which is 6,800, and right now we are in this bullish kind of a pennant right here, but we still have, so the 6,800, it's gonna be 6,800 gonna be like a massive resistance. So if we see a pump uh, above this 6,800, that would be really bullish, and then this line would could act as a massive support, so price might not go back down. um, but looking at the price right now, looking at the price action right now, it's hard to say, this can go either way, but given that we have been making higher lows for the past 8 to 10 days or so, we can say, yeah, we might see a price breaking out towards upside from this bullish pennant, but it can go either way, so we never know. If you look at the RSI is it's pretty moderate, sitting on 45, meaning there's more upside momentum if you look at the RSI. But stock RSI, it's pretty high at the moment, but mind that stock RSI can go all the way up to 100. It can sit there for a long period of time. So if you look at RSI and the stock RSI, yes, we could say we have upside momentum, but at the same time, if I would prefer to see it below 80 or so, below this level, so then we can say, okay, then there's more upside momentum. But right now, it's kind of like, there is we still have a chance, but the likelihood is kind of less. Anyways, there's another thing that I want to look at is Bitcoin shorts. So if you look at here, in April, this is 12th of April, we had a massive Bitcoin shorts, meaning most people are betting Bitcoin price to go down. So on April 11th, we hit somewhere near 40,000 Bitcoin shorts, and then we had like a massive squeeze. So this bar right here, so basically Bitcoin shows it's inversely correlated to Bitcoin price. So when Bitcoin shorts go down, Bitcoin price tends to go up. So in April, if you go through and have a look at the price, we can see like a massive surge in Bitcoin price, and at that time this is the highest, like an all-time highs for Bitcoin shorts. And if you look at the Bitcoin shorts right now, we can see we are almost there. I think we are on 37,882. So looking at this, if we see like similar action that happened in April, we can say like a Bitcoin price could surge. um, but we had to wait and see for that. If you see like a similar massive short squeeze, we'll definitely see like a surge in Bitcoin price. And then looking at the Bitcoin chart, we are in this bullish pennant. So if price goes up, it actually makes sense, like then if we see like a surge, then we'll see like a short squeeze similar to in April what we have seen. That could be good news for Bitcoin. So this is all short term, like long term. If you invest in long term, you don't need to worry about no need to have a look at this Bitcoin. So this is for like short term. If you are trading, if you're willing to sell when Bitcoin price up has gone up, and then you can sell and you can have some USDT, and then Bitcoin price goes down, you can buy back some Bitcoin. So in that case, you don't need to have a lot of fiat, right? So that's the good thing about trading. I mean, it's risky. It can go either. Some days you'll make money, some days you might not. But the good thing is, if you can trade like like few days a month, and then make a little bit of money, you don't need to have like extra fiat sitting in another account. So you can use that same. Normally what I would do, like I'll do, if I do a trade, say for example, like if I sell Bitcoin at 8,000, and then if I sell Bitcoin and I'll have USDT. I have it as USDT. I'm not going to completely take the money out. And then if Bitcoin price goes to like 6,000, I'll buy back. So I'll probably end up having, or maybe Bitcoin goes to say 7,000, I'll buy it back. So I end up having like 1,000 USDT. So I can use that 1,000 USDT to buy some altcoins, so buy more Bitcoin. It's totally up to you. So that's a good thing about trading. But trading is really, as you know, trading is not easy. You have to have a bit of experience, like you have to you need to have a lot of time, like just to make sure you're up to date. Like you just can't, like you have to keep on looking at the computer and keep up to date, like and whenever you see if you see it's time to buy or time to sell, you have to act like as soon as possible. Anyways, that's that. Okay, now let me look at this. So that's the TA, like I mean, that's the Bitcoin shorts and the Bitcoin price action. So let's have a look at this article, which is really interesting. Yeah, this article, it's on CoinDesk. So if you want to go and read it, you can just go to CoinDesk and have a read. Okay, so in here he specifically talk about 3 scenarios. So scenario number 1, we have already seen the bottom, right? And scenario number 2, price could go lower to probably up down to 3k or 3k to 5k. And the worst case scenario, like it could probably go back down to 1,000, which is highly unlikely, but he talks about it. So if we think we have already seen the bottom, and then given that on 30th of September we're going to see we're waiting for the CBOE ETF approval or reject or approval news. This, I mean, ETF news could be a good thing for Bitcoin price. As you can remember, for gold, when we had the ETF, when the ETF was approved for gold, we had like a massive surge in gold prices. So on 30th of September, which is like probably in 30 to 40 days or so, if it's a yes, yeah, we'll see like a bottom, like around 5,000-6,000 or so, and then it's like a massive surge from there onwards. So that's the first scenario. I mean, if you ask me, I would probably give 5 to 10 or maybe 15 probability that this could pan out. And the second scenario is 3 to 5k. So we'll probably price will keep on going down to 5k or 4,000, or say in between 3 to 5k. So meaning there's more downside for Bitcoin price. Yeah, in a way, if you see that, I mean, more people can get in, so more people can get in, and then it can make like a nice a base around say 4 to 5k. Most people can get in, and from there onwards we probably be able to see higher Bitcoin price. That's the second scenario. And I mean, if you ask me the probability, this is I would probably say 50 to 60%. This is I hope this in a way it's good, like, you know, because everybody's saying, like, you know, everybody's waiting for this capitulation, like, you know, so if you see it sooner, it's better. So, you know, I mean, we can start from there, and then we can we don't need to worry about the bear market anymore. So in a way it's a good thing. So I'll probably give 60%, 60 to 70% probability for the second scenario. And the third scenario is this one, like, you know, this is the worst case scenario. I mean, I probably don't want to see this happen, but there's a chance, like, you know, but it's very highly unlikely, I would say. If if it's the worst case scenario, so if you see that $1,000 Bitcoin, that's probably devastating. Like, you know, a lot of people will panic sell, and we probably a lot of people will probably lose money, but it's highly unlikely. Meaning, like, you know, if the price has to go down dramatically from, like, you know, 6,000 to um, 1,000. I mean, it could happen within 6 months, or it might for the next 12 to 18 months. It can keep on going, like dragging like down, like dragging lower, and it might hit 1,000, and then more people will be able to get in, and then we can see like a bull market starting from $1,000 Bitcoin. But highly unlikely think that will happen. I really don't think so. It will be that bad, but give more probability for this scenario, like where we can see where we would probably see 3 to 4k within the next couple of months or so, and then especially on 30th of September, if the Bitcoin ETF get delayed, then we know people expect it to, if people expect it to get approved, if it's not gonna if it's gonna get delayed, then people might sell off, like, you know, because it'll probably create a lot of uncertainty. In a way it's okay, like, you know, as I mentioned before. So those are the three scenarios. If you want to have a read about it, you can go to if you want to read this article, you can go to coindesk.com. And before I go, I think that's it for this video. And before I go, I just want to remind you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and then click the thumbs up button, and click that bell, so every time I upload new videos, you'll probably get like a notification. Yeah, other than that, I think that's it for today. So thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.